Good morning, friends. I am going to give you a series of lectures on English words. Each lecture will be on a particular word, its meaning, and its appropriate use. Friends, we are in a world which is gradually coming closer. We are more intimate with the outside world, and the world is in English. The question is how to express the appropriate English. The appropriate English communicates your feeling, not merely the formal translation of your mother tongue. That is why I have written 7 books, Topical Guide, 2 parts, 2 books for graduate level students, 2 books for PG students and candidates for competitive exams, 1 compendium for all, Topical Guide to English idioms, and 2 volumes of words to be used in informal English, colloquial English. My aim is to teach the appropriate English in the non-English world. For example, I am telling you, you say when you came out of your market, you saw your scooter so surrounded by other scooters, you could not take it out. This is not the right English, proper English, appropriate English. It is never. You have thought in your mother tongue and expressed in English language. Then what is the appropriate word? When I came out of the market, I saw my scooter boxed in. You are expressing a little inconvenience by this expression. Similarly, you say, I stayed the same job last 20 years. I feel boxed in. You are feeling squeezed. Don't feel good. Another word, you see how you can express your feeling by appropriate English. You know the word scratch. A monkey came and scratched your face. There is bleeding. There is a word scrape. It is particularly used when you pass through a narrow space, you brush your sides. There is some bleeding, some scratch, scrape. Now take it for figurative use, for appropriate English. You say, I earn 20,000 rupees, but my house needs 25,000 rupees per month. We just scrape by. With difficulty, with some pain, we manage to spend the month with 20,000 rupees. This is the purpose of these lectures. I hope you will subscribe to this channel and make it a success. Thank you.